Hello everyone and welcome back to Zero IT. In today's episode, we will learn how to configure static routes, right? The default static route. So let's begin. So we need to go to R1, right? And let's put it in this side. Great. Privilege mode, global mode, and this is the command. So, put it. Great, perfect. So this is how they are configured. So this means any prefix, any mask, you'll reach it, right? Via, in this case, this interface. So any network, right? You will get it using this interface. So if I try to pin PC1, PC2, as you will see, it will go out, as you can see. So we haven't configured yet default static routes in R2, so I will also do it because as R2 doesn't have any entry, right? It doesn't have any entry for the .py, right? So it will discard, drop the packet. So let's do the same here, right? Oops. Great. Oh goodness. Enable IP route. Okay. Put it this way. Again, so any network, you will be able to get it using the next hop, in this case your neighbor, and done. So now we try to pin PC2 to PC1, you will see that it will go out. So he doesn't have any entry, right, for this network, the .py, and we can check that using the show IP route. As you can see, the only entry that could match that network is this one, and that is the route that it will use. As you can see, the pin will work, right? And that is done. So and this is how you configure default static route. So if you have any question, any concern, any doubt, please leave your comment, like and subscribe, and see you in the next episode.